Hey guys, so today we will be going through a new extension. This particular extension is called Write Better Prompts. So this extension basically helps to write us very good prompts. So what we can do is that we can go here and we can basically uh, write very great prompts here, like developer who is publishing a Chrome extension goal. We can add uh, create best uh, anything we can add, and we can add context something, we can add requirements, we can add output format, and output format will be text or whatever code. So it's provided in the example as well. And after doing that we can write generate. It will create a very well documented with context goal prompt, and then we can click on fast and it will give a great result. So this was what I was discussing. Thanks a lot, guys.